Where we going, Baldo?
Secret.
Can't tell nobody?
Nope.
We gotta tell somebody. Just picked up Baldo. We're on the way to a secret place.
They do magic there.
Finally done. Like, I remember the old video. They have a motor on it. Now the motor is fully built. That's a nice patina on it. What motor is that? 6.0?
I believe it's a stroker. It's a stroker. I don't know exactly what to set up.
It's big, man. Looks like a big ass turbo coming in. Trae subs.
¿Estás cargando?
Can you turn the truck on? A ver cómo se oye. This sounds good. What you think, Baldo? Sounds good?
Alright guys, I'm going performance wise now.
No more lifting.
No more lifting. Fuck that. I'm gonna go fast.
Truck for sale. If you're interested, hit them up. There's a number right there. ¿Cuánto? Six grand. The door handle's nice. Como que se media cuadradita, ¿no? Like a baby plane. The door handle could be yours, but it's plain.
Louisiana. It's updated turbo.
¿Qué es esto allá, güey?
That is for the water, the coolant, where the coolant goes in.
¿Y esto?
That's a catch can. It's just a catch can. We did a bigger turbo. We wrapped the piping all around, exhaust.
To keep it cooler?
Yeah. Ran out of a boost gauge, so we were going to upgrade the boost gauge and bigger springs on the wastegate.
Straight out of Louisiana. Truck is ready to go. Senta más ligera. Truck is ready. Heading back to the north side. Appreciate Caesar for getting it done. Shrimp really quick. Boy Valdo about to get a Smirnoff. Got the shrimp. Para la dieta coño. Para la dietita del barrio.
Cero carne, loco.
Yeah, he didn't get his Smirnoff. Se agüitó the way. Trash digger. ¿Qué rollo, compadre?
Qué rico el compadre.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, we're done. We're done for today. ¿Ya la cama o no? Está barato. Bienvenidos. You hold it? Vamos away.
Si el mío viene una van ahí atrás. Si el mío venía una van.
¿Me viene una vez?
Soy yo.
That's a good start. It's a good little spot, huh?
Yeah.
¿Sí estás grabando?
Sí.
¿Está la little red dot?
Yeah.
Well, I just went and dropped off Valdo. We just got back from doing some donuts. Well, wannabe donuts. We found a little good spot. But I need to go in the day so I can record the truck and so I can practice some more. I liked it, man. I really wanted to make sure the truck had the power to like do burnouts and kind of swing it a little bit with the wheels on. That was the whole point. So yeah, like I said, I might go back another day, but in the daytime, so I can record the truck. But that's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching.